all the NCERTs for the basic sciences. I should know the minimum level of science that we see around us. So please ensure that in every subject you have your minimum ready. एक basic knowledge आपको होनी चाहिए कि आपके आसपास क्या चल रहा है. Science and technology is done. So again, supplement that with the current affairs, what is going on, and follow any one magazine from any coaching institute. I think थोड़े टाइम में सब लोग सेम ही मटेरियल कवर कर रहे होते हैं, तो कोई भी एक इंस्टीट्यूट, अगर आप इस इंस्टीट्यूट में आ रहे हैं तो इसी का, लेकिन रेगुलरली कंसिस्टेंटली एक मैगजीन आप फॉलो करें. If you don't want to follow a magazine, in my first attempt I followed a magazine. In my second attempt I did not follow any magazines at all. I did my newspaper reading very carefully and I made my own newspaper notes. Initially I made handwritten notes, but that is not very efficient in the long run because it was also my third attempt, so the notebooks were increasing. So try to keep your notes digital because we have so many apps now. बहुत efficient रहेगा and you can really delete the stuff that is not relevant anymore. Sometimes when we make notes, we make too many notes, things that might not even be important. So in digital sense, it's very helpful because you can keep revising and adding over there. So that is one thing. And if you are not following a magazine, current affairs magazine, then please be very disciplined about daily current affairs. So again, any one website, there are so many websites, but please pick one website. And apart from your newspaper reading, which takes 1 hour, take 15 minutes to make notes from that newspaper, and then take another 15 minutes to go through that website and see if there is something that you have not covered. So this helps you create a pool of knowledge in current affairs that will last you the entire year. If you still feel insecure at the end of the year that I have not done any magazine and I am feeling left behind, then बस index देख लें उस magazine का कि अगर कोई ऐसा topic है जो बिल्कुल नहीं पता है तो वो हमने topic उस magazine में से cover कर लिया. That's how I did it. I felt it was efficient at the end of the day. So this is the massive 50-60% chunk of prelims, that is current affairs. So I hope we can move on to the next topic. Apart from basic books, current affairs, knowledge is very important. I understood that in my first attempt. But more important is how you apply that knowledge in the examination. So after I did not clear prelims the first time, I started working on my MCQ solving aptitude, which is also extremely important because you might know a lot of things, but in those 2 hours, किसी भी book से direct question नहीं आता है. कभी-कभी आ जाता है, but that is when we are lucky that we got a basic easy question and we are very happy to solve it. But a lot of times, most of the questions, these questions are not directly from any book. So do not run behind any book. Use every book in the market to just set that minimum that yes, if it is environment, I know a minimum level and I can use this knowledge to solve the questions over there. So that's why I keep saying that there is no golden list of books that can help you. But yes, one subject, one book, that is the rule. Don't run after too much material because ऐसा कोई भी material नहीं है जिससे direct questions आ रहे हैं. At least we cannot guess that. And if we get into that race, then it is never ending. So coming to back to MCQ solving skills. MCQ solving के लिए first and only place that you should go to is the previous year questions. I was also told this by toppers. I also solved the questions, but I don't think I did it enough in my first 2 attempts. It's not just that you have to solve the questions because after a point हमें answers याद हो जाते हैं कि अच्छा इस question का तो ये answer था. But PYQs का उससे ज़्यादा relevance है. You don't just have to solve it, you have to understand the areas in which they are diverging. So in the last 10 to 12 years, which are the areas of focus and which are the areas of priority? Even the options that are wrong, where are these options coming from? If there is an option that is wrong but it is worthy of mention in a UPSC paper, so please read about those options also. Many a times the wrong options, there are topics that are covered in the next year. So PYQ is a huge chunk in itself. उसके लिए एक मैंने अलग notebook बनाई थी अपने second attempt के बाद. And then not just the knowledge part of the PYQs कि कौन से हमारे focus areas हैं, also the language. What kind of a language is UPSC using in its answer, in its questions, and how I can understand and inculcate this language, because tomorrow the same questions in a similar language will come. So I will be better equipped to understand the English of it. क्योंकि नाउ डेज वी सी दैट द ऑप्शंस आर वेरी लेंदी, बहुत लंबे लंबे ऑप्शंस आते हैं, द पेपर इज गेटिंग वेरी लेंदी, वो एक लाइन का आंसर या एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन कम होता है। तो उस चीज़ के लिए उसकी लैंग्वेज को समझे, किस टाइप के ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के बारे में आपको पढ़ना है, क्योंकि फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम रिपोर्ट्स पढ़ने बैठते हैं तो वो लिस्ट बढ़ते ही चली जाती है। सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन